These videos are going viral, taking in millions of views. And I'm going to teach you how, absolutely free. Okay, guys, so when you log into your ChatGPT account, you're going to go to the left side, click on Explore GPTs. Up here, you're going to type in car transform generated. Click on it. Come down here and click Start Chat. Click on Start the Generator. Okay, guys, so it gives you 10 car transform concepts. You can go through each one of them. If you don't like the one that they're giving you, you can easily come down here. It tells you to pick a number to generate your prompts, type your own idea, or say more for a fresh batch. I'm going to choose the number 1, okay? Then hit generate the arrow button, okay? Okay, so here's what ChatGPT gave us. It's giving us the before prompt, which is here, and the after prompt right here, the end prompt, okay? So you have the start frame and the end frame, and one video prompt. Okay, so next thing you want to do, guys, is come over here so you can copy your start frame or your first prompt. Okay, guys, the next thing you want to do is go over to Google, type in Flow AI, and click on this one at the top, okay? I already have an account with Flow AI. If you don't, all you have to do is link it to your Google account. So once that's done, go to Create with Flow. Come down below, click New Project. Okay, guys, so next thing you want to do is come here below, type on it. Make sure the ratio is 9:16. Make sure that it's image, okay? And make sure it's Nano Banana 2. They do have Nano Banana Pro, but that's not free. So we're going to remain with Nano Banana 2. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT and then hit enter. Okay, so this is the image that Flo gave us. You can easily click on it. All right. So it does look good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it. Okay, guys, so right back in ChatGPT, we're going to copy our second prompt, which is the end frame. We're going to come right back down here. We're not going to change anything down here below. And we're going to paste our prompt from ChatGPT. Click enter. So this looks good. It did a really great job on the mechanical body frame. I'm going to click back out. And so I'm going to download my image. Right click and scroll down to download. Click on 2K. All right. Come right back to ChatGPT and we're going to copy our video prompt. Okay. Next thing you want to do, come right back down here to the bottom and we're going to switch to video. Okay. And we're going to make sure it says frames and 9:16. Okay. Click on start and click on this one right here. All right. And then over here, click on the cheetah and we're going to paste our prompt below from ChatGPT and click generate. Make sure it does say video, guys, okay? Click enter. Okay, guys, so our video is ready. As you can see, Flow did follow my video prompt. The video quality is good and it keeps your attention as the cheetah transforms into a Lamborghini cheetah. You can easily download the video and then click on 720. You see that it's downloading. So guys, that's exactly how you create your own car transform videos for free using ChatGPT and Flow AI. If this video has helped you, please remember to like, share, and comment. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.